Number 1. 1990 Ford F150, price $7,500. This truck shows 165,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a smooth-shifting manual transmission. Painted in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, it runs on gasoline and has clearly been maintained with care throughout its life. The truck starts and drives well, with power windows that function as they should, adding a touch of convenience to its classic charm. To help preserve its condition, the undercarriage has been coated for protection against rust, a thoughtful step that reflects the effort put into keeping it solid. While the air conditioning is currently not working and the check engine light stays on, these minor issues do not take away from the fact that this F-150 remains a dependable, well-kept pickup that still has plenty to offer for work, cruising, or as a classic collectible. Number 2. 1977 Ford F-150, price $9,700, well-preserved survivor, still wearing its original brown paint with a tan interior. It's powered by a built 351 V8 with aftermarket upgrades including intake, camshaft, pistons, carburetor, and an upgraded oil pump, along with new seals, gaskets, water pump, and fuel pump. The C6 automatic transmission has been refreshed with a new TCI pan, filter, gaskets, governor module, and transmission cooler, plus a temperature sensor and gauge. Exhaust flows through headers and a new system, monitored by an air/fuel ratio gauge. Suspension and brakes have been thoroughly updated with new shocks, bushings, hangers, shackles, a new master cylinder and booster, and completely rebuilt rear brakes. It also benefits from a new gas tank and tires. Registered, inspected, and insured, this F-150 is occasionally driven and stands as a strong, dependable example of a classic Ford pickup. Number 3. 1971 Dodge D150, price $8,500, equipped with a 318 CI V8 paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission with a 2-barrel carburetor. Finished in yellow with an off-white interior, it runs on gasoline and has received a number of important updates to keep it roadworthy and reliable. The truck has been fitted with a newly relocated fuel tank mounted under the bed with a sending unit, along with a new white oak bed in metal trim. Recent maintenance includes new tires, a fresh battery, a new alternator, and new shocks, as well as a complete brake refresh consisting of a master cylinder, wheel cylinders, and hoses. A recent tune-up ensures it starts right up, runs smoothly, and drives well for its age. Structurally, the truck is very solid with the frame and underside in excellent condition, showing only minor rust along with the expected bumps and bruises of an old pickup. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1989 Ford F250, price $5,000, powered by a strong 351 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It wears a clean white exterior over a striking red interior, giving it a timeless look that stands out. As a two-wheel drive truck originally from North Dakota, it remains rust-free and exceptionally solid, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. Running on gasoline, it starts, drives, and shifts exactly as it should, offering the dependable performance the F-Series is known for. The truck has already passed Pennsylvania inspection, meaning it's road-ready and needs nothing before being enjoyed. Overall, this F-250 is a well-preserved and reliable classic workhorse, ready for both practical use and weekend cruising. Number 5. 1977 Ford F100, price $6,000, it shows just 50,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers an easy and reliable driving experience. The truck wears a timeless brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior, giving it a true period-correct look and feel. It is in fantastic overall shape, benefiting from a host of recent upgrades in care. Power brakes and power steering make it smooth to handle, while an entirely new suspension system ensures a comfortable and confident ride. Inside, the cab has been completely redone with a fresh and complete interior that looks just as good as it did when it left the factory. On the outside, the F100 sits on brand new wheels and tires that not only enhance its stance but also improve safety and drivability. With thousands of dollars invested into its restoration and maintenance, this truck is more than just a classic pickup. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,500. This truck has just 60,000 miles on it and is presented in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior. Equipped with a 350 motor and automatic transmission, this 2WD truck runs on gasoline and has been driven regularly over the last 2 years, proving itself to be a reliable daily driver. The Silverado comes well appointed for its era, featuring factory air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and dual gas tanks, though the secondary tank will need to be reconnected. Mechanically, the truck has no issues, and all amenities are in proper working order. With its classic styling and strong condition, it's a solid example of a late-80s Chevy pickup. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $9,200, featuring a green exterior paired with a matching green interior. It is powered by a dependable V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives 100%. The truck is equipped with air conditioning that still works, making it a comfortable choice even on warm days. The frame is very solid with only 2 small holes in the cab corners, as shown in the photos. Inside, a newer digital radio has been added for convenience while keeping the vintage feel intact. The 5-digit odometer currently shows 35,000 miles, though it is listed as exempt due to age. Overall, this Chevrolet C10 is an excellent candidate for weekend cruises or local car shows, offering both originality and reliability in a timeless package. Number 8. 1978 Ford F150, price $9,500. This truck shows 114,000 miles and comes finished in brown with a matching brown interior. Originally equipped with a 400 V8 paired to a tilt-column automatic transmission, it now houses what appears to be a late 1980s or early 1990s 302 engine mated to a floor-shift automatic transmission. Though the exact gearbox is unknown, the owner has fitted it with a Demon carburetor, an ignition module, and a fuel pressure regulator, allowing it to run fairly well. It currently relies on an older electric fuel pump, which could benefit from replacement, and the tires are aged and should be updated before regular driving. Most of the lights are functional, but the truck will need a rear bumper. Rust is minimal, limited mainly to the bed, making it a solid foundation overall. Number 9. 1968 Ford F250, price $4,500, equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission paired to a strong 360 big block V8 engine. It comes finished in blue both inside and out, giving it a clean and classic look. The truck runs and drives but will need some attention before it can be used as a daily driver, specifically brake work, new tires, and a radiator. The current tires do hold air but show dry rot from age. Recent maintenance includes a new master cylinder along with fresh plugs, wires, rotor, and cap. Structurally, the truck is in very good condition, with a body free of rust, solid floors, cab corners, drip rails, and frame. Overall, it's a solid project truck with a great foundation for someone looking to bring a vintage Ford back to the road. Number 10. 1968 Ford F100, price $7,000. The truck comes powered by a dependable V8 360 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, making it both engaging to drive and true to its classic heritage. Running on gasoline, this truck wears a striking blue exterior that contrasts nicely with its clean gray interior, giving it timeless appeal. It starts, runs, and drives very well, reflecting the strength and reliability that these vintage Ford pickups are known for. For a truck of its age, it remains in impressive shape. While there is some minor rust on the floor pans and cab mounts, the body overall is very solid and well preserved.